of trouble getting the circuit board, so for this Panasonic unit, the wholesalers we bought it from when it was new have stopped selling the stuff. Other people just haven't returned our inquiries, so in the end I've ended up buying just the new relay from electrical or electronics wholesaler. That's the old one. I got a new one there, that's it there. That's soldered in. I need to clean the flux off the board, and then we'll get that fitted back in, and fingers crossed it works. Right, put the board back in. Got our red and blue wires onto here, and the white wire on the board. Got our power in and power out to the, I think that goes to the compressor, hopefully in the right place. Then we've got all these little wires with the various plugs. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 of them at least. And you have to plug them in and then slide the board back in, and what you can find is you plug them all in, and you've kind of tied them in a knot and the board won't go back, and you have to unplug one and untangle it and put it back in again, because they never quite go back as they did when they was in the factory. Anyway, we get all them plugged in and then we slide the board back in and see what happens. Right, let's turn it on and see. Buzzes a bit. It's cooling. Load it. Coil needs a clean. Right, that's worked okay when we tested on it. The condenser fan turned off, which is the problem was it was staying on all the time. Got some of this stuff. So we'll try it on here. There's a little bit of a coil down the back, but I don't think we'll be able to get to that. Might give it a rinse. I'm not sure if this stuff has to rinse or not. Never hurts to give it a rinse. Don't like leaving chemicals on things. Just leave the chemical on for 10 minutes, so in about 10 minutes then we'll give it a rinse. You have to be very careful with these coils. If you spray them too hard, the water goes straight through onto the fan and it'll drip out the louvers. What I usually do is run them on cooling for a bit afterwards as well, because that will rinse the coil as well. Probably help get to any bits you couldn't reach with the sprayer. they're really bad, I tuck a plastic sheet up behind the unit and to cover the wall, and then put it down onto the floor into a bucket or onto a load of dust sheets, and then just blast it. Any dirt that gets washed through, and then you can get the sprayer up and wash the fan. You have to be careful, obviously, not to get any water in the electrics or the motor, but it beats stripping them down. Some of them you can't even get to bits.